What y'all know about this cheesecake here, fam? Oh, look at that crust on it. That's actually the little Danish cookies that come in the tin. Maybe you got disappointed and found a sewing kit in there. Got some cheesecake, cherry cheesecake. Got a stick of coconut oil. And I added 99% pure CBD isolate to my high THC concentrate. That was actually a suggestion. Big shout out, my boy, JR Token. I got a feeling this is a 1-of-1, but the CBD might be damn near stronger than THC in this one, folks. Eat it.